Hi everyone, this video is going to be about posture. So first of all, what is posture? Posture is the position in which you hold your body when you're standing or you're sitting. If you ever heard the word slouched or hunched, they were probably talking about posture. Now let's look at some examples of good posture versus bad posture. In this first picture, the man is picking up a box. You can see that in the good posture picture, his back is straight and his shoulders are upright, his knees are bent, and he's not bending all the way down. In the bad posture example, you can see his back is curved in a C shape and his knees aren't as bent, which can cause more stress on the back. And also you can see that his neck and his back are not in a straight line. In the next example, you can see the man standing and looking at his phone. In the good posture example, you can see that he's basically standing in a straight line. His back isn't hunched over and his head isn't leaning forward. In the bad posture example, you can see that he's leaning his head forward and you can see his back is hunched in a C shape. You can also see he's a little bit off balance and his weight is sort of leaning towards the back. In the last picture, there's a boy sitting at a desk. In the good posture example, you can see that he's sitting upright and you can see that his knee is at a right angle and so are his hips. You can also see that his head is facing straight forward and that his back is not curved in a C shape. In the bad example, he's curved in a C shape, his feet are not flat on the ground, and they're actually on their toes, which is not good for you. Now let's look at some more examples of good posture versus bad posture. With good posture, you keep your chin tucked in, you keep your shoulders relaxed, down and back. You sit with your hips, knees, and ankles at right angles, and you sit with your thighs level with your knees. You also want to keep your head in the middle, on top of and in line with the shoulders, and you want to sit with your weight equal on both sides. In bad posture, you're poking or jutting your chin forward, your shoulders are hunched, you're sitting with your spine in a bent C shape, which can put your back under strain. You can see in the previous picture, the man is also with his back in a C shape, which is in the bad examples. You also don't want to sit with your knees higher or lower than your hips. You don't want to hold your head in front of the shoulders or to one side because it can put you off balance. And lastly, you don't want to sit with your weight on one side of your bottom. You want to keep it balanced on both sides. Good posture is also important when you're sleeping. You want to keep your head straight and your spine in a straight line. You also want to use a pillow if you sleep on your side and elongate your body. So try not to curl into a ball. You can see in these pictures that in the good examples, the lady is sleeping with her back and her head in a straight line. And in the bad examples, she has it tilted one way or the other, which is not good for you. Now let's look at why you should keep good posture. What are some benefits of good posture? If you have good posture, it prevents stress, pain, and damage to your muscles and joints. It actually uses less energy. It helps with muscle weakness, tightness, fatigue, and spasms. It also keeps your muscles and skeletal system aligned. It increases your flexibility. It improves your balance and makes it less likely for you to fall. And it makes it easier for you to digest your food and to breathe because you're upright. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new.